Welcome to Research Rocks. If you use Starlink internet, so this video is very important for you. Sometimes we are not receiving good internet speed. We'll fix if Starlink obstruction is not properly, so that's why you are not receiving good internet services. So how to check Starlink obstruction, and after that if the obstruction is not well, so how to fix this problem. So first of all, we can see how to check obstruction. Just simply enter here Starlink application. This is my Starlink application, and look at this here, one separate tab they are introducing inside the application, obstruction. If you tab here, this obstruction menu are showing you your dish is properly fixed or not in top of your house, outside the house, or wherever you fix the dish. So here I fix my dish in top of this house. Previously this direction is not properly, but with the help of this application and this menu, I properly fix. Look at this here, your Starlink is pointed in the correct direction. You always check here your Starlink dish is properly in right direction or wrong. If it is a little wrong direction, that's why you are not receiving good amount of internet. So you can fix properly this one. This is the simple way to fix obstruction and correct direction of your Starlink internet connection. Afterwards, if you check here internet speed, previously you can check this internet speed, and after fixing this one, after fixing this one, you can check the internet speed. You are receiving massive amount of results is a good point of view. So this is my result after changing the right direction of my. So this is the simple tips and tricks to find out obstruction and set your Starlink connection right direction. If you have any question related on Starlink internet, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.